So I hereby present the award to you. So I'm saying you keep this justice to God, good things in society, the youth, spiritually and on top of that.